Okay, what is an emergency fund and how is it different from a savings account? Give me 60 seconds and I'll tell you. I'm with APG Federal Credit Union, and an emergency fund is one of those things that you really don't want to ever have to use until you really need it. An emergency fund is money that you set aside specifically for unexpected expenses, meaning let's say you get into a car accident, let's say there are unexpected medical bills, things like that, things that are not goals. They are things that you need money for right now. So really the purchase of an emergency fund is financial protection. This is not the same thing as a savings account where you are putting money towards your future goals. Think buying a house, think putting a down payment on a car. Those are your future goals, whereas an emergency fund is money you set aside specifically for those unexpected payments, those unexpected expenses that we're not in the tarot card reading for the day. Also, having an emergency fund can keep you from using credit cards to pay these unexpected expenses, which means that you won't accrue interest because you're using money that you already have. So this money should be easily accessible. And yes, you do keep an emergency fund in a savings account. So the savings account is the type of account, whereas the emergency fund, still within the savings account, is the purpose for a portion of that money. As a starter goal, it's good to have between $500 and $1,000 in there. And you can save this up slowly. Like even if you're putting in $5 a month, just to have that backup, trust me, you will be so happy that you have it someday. As a bigger goal, it's good to have 3 to 6 months of expenses. Now, some people look at that as 3 to 6 months of your salary or of your wages, but looking at 6 months of expenses, how much you're actually spending on rent, on your car payments, on things like that, will keep you safe in times of unexpected expenses. So a savings account holds your money. The emergency fund is giving some of that money a job. Make sure to follow us for more tips on how to be financially fit.